गोय विद्यापीठाच्या विद्यार्थी मंडळाची वेचणूक काँग्रेसीची NSUI जिंकली. भाजपाची विद्यार्थी संघटनेचे व्हडा प्रमाणात उमेदवारी अर्ज तांत्रिक कारणाक लागून रद्द केले. काँग्रेसीची विद्यार्थी संघटना जिंकल्या उपरांत तांच्या काँग्रेसीच्या फुडाऱ्यांनी स्वागत केले. उपरांत NSUIचो अध्यक्ष एहराज मुल्लान पत्रकार परिषद घेतली.
It's a very proud feeling for the entire NSUI that we have ended the 6 terms by the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha that they were ruling the Goa University. We are very proud that every year they have been trying to do all types of settings, all types of things, all types of malpractices they've been doing, and they've been trying to win the election every year. But this year we made a strategy, such a strategy that we made sure and ensured that they do not even have a proposer and seconder to even file their nominations for the Goa University Student Council. Last year we had demanded for open elections. Our demand for open elections was never met with 75% of our UCRs and 75% of our UFRs, we have made sure that the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha is kept out from the university and our person rules the university. Thanks a lot to the entire student community for standing with us and believing in the ideology of the NSUI. And we ensure that we will give our 100% for the students in this academic year.
आयचो दीस NSUIच्या विद्यार्थी संघटनेक खोशयेचो दीस. आमचे फाटल्यान सगळे विद्यार्थी रावले म्हूण तांचे अध्यक्ष एहराज मुल्लान अभिनंदन केला.
Exciting also to see that the Bharatiya Janata Party, which always supports the government, is now opposing their own government. I think because for whatever reasons, maybe because Parrikar maybe used to handle their issues of such, but now there is no Parrikar, so that is why they will have to fight their own the battle on their own. Because every year, if you go to see, Parrikar used to keep a meeting in the Legislative Assembly. This year there was no meeting of the students in the Legislative Assembly. That must be one more reason why they were not able to. No, I mean he's not in active politics. No, I'm not saying that way. Or active politics, he's not there. No.
You won the election or what?
We won the election.
We won the election.
All the seats or what?
Yeah, 75% of our UCRs and 75% of our UFRs have won, and the council, who's the sole person, is ours.
It is declared by the
University is declared. We have the photo also. I'll show you the photo also.
What is the name of the council?